Here I am walking from the family VIP section towards the beach. There's the beautiful sunset in the sun, in the sky. I apologize as it's foggy as I came out of the air conditioning from our room and it made the camera foggy. Here are the beautiful palm trees, and those are the balconies of the Sunclub area, and it's a very short walk towards the beach. There's lots of plants, and here I just cleared off the screen as it was very humid out here. Over to the right is where you can also go towards the Castaways Beach Bar and Disco, but I'm going to go to the left to give you a better access to the beach. Also to the right path was more closer to the VIP section of the beach. There are beautiful mangroves here along the path, and this place right here is where you can have a private romantic dinner set up here as well as a couple spots on the beach as well. This is the showers to wash the sand off your feet and your body. And here are the beautiful mangroves where there's lots of birds and fish and plants. It's very peaceful and calming here. We did not see any mosquitoes the whole time we were here. There you can see a bird or a fish, and there's like a type of duck coming around. And here is a poster board with all the different types of birds that you could see here at Sunscape Puerto Plata. We are walking down this path, and straight ahead is the Castaways restaurant, which is open most nights during summer. It's a seafood / Caribbean type restaurant. And then this is where every night it's open as a bar / disco. It's very loud. We've never gone in to it at night, but we can hear it from our room, especially on the patio. Here at lunchtime, it's open for hot dogs and hamburgers and fresh fruit and veggies as for lunchtime, so you can eat it at the beach. There's also some wonderful hammocks here that anybody can use. There is one in the VIP section as well. It is very early in the morning. It is just about 6 o'clock in the morning, so there's nobody really on the beach, and they haven't done any of the maintenance really that they do usually around 8 in the morning, 7 or 8 in the morning. Unfortunately, it was very cloudy the whole time we were there in the morning, so I could not get spectacular sunrise pictures. There is a floating raft / trampoline thing out in the water for people to use. There's a beach volleyball net. You can get volleyballs from the beach activities desk. And that catamaran that you see out into the ocean, that is the one that we actually took on our excursion for snorkeling. But this is our beach. It hasn't been cleaned up yet, but you can see there's very little seaweed on the beach. The beach sand here is very soft and fine. There's no gravel or rocks or sharp shells. There is very little rocks even inside the beach once it even gets deeper. It is beautiful here. That is the VIP section that's roped off for Sunscape Club. And there's always security there to making sure you're in Sunscape Club over there. If you keep on walking towards the right side of the beach, you'll hit a few other hotels. They weren't very populated when we were here at the end of August, beginning of September, as this is their low season. But over there by those tree lines and that, it's empty. There's no houses or buildings or anything there, but the beach is supposedly really nice. If you go towards the left here, you will hit some more hotels. Near at the end of this beach that you can see, there is a spot that you can borrow little sailboats that you can use for free, as well as rent other equipment. And at the end of the beach front there, you can see that in the water there's a bit more rockier area, and that's where some good snorkeling is, on the beach on the left hand side of this hotel. The sand is great for making sand castles, and the weather has been nice and the water is very warm even after a rainstorm. The beach here was much better than the place we stayed at in Peurto. The sand was better, the seaweed was better. The seaweed here was kind of like pine needles. It wasn't squishy and mushy. Here's the Sun Club area. There's palapas. It's almost 3/4 of it in the shade. There is a hammock over there for Sunscape Club members. The beige chairs are Sun Club, and the blue chairs are available for everybody. The access to Castaways, which is right there, is great for eating lunch on the beach, grabbing a quick drink, as there's a bar there, and it is just wonderful. You should really check it out.